Welcome, students, to another video lecture with Mr. Connect. I'm going to have you pause here and copy down what you see. Okay, welcome back. So today we're learning another method for solving the same exact percent problems. So again, you could use the percent proportion, you could do this mentally, or you can now learn about the percent equation. So our essential question here is, how do we use the percent equation to solve percent problems? And as you can see, the percent equation is the part equals the percent times the whole. And it's extremely important to realize that to use this percent equation, we're going to have to change the percent into a decimal first. So just a quick review, if you have 56%, remember that's 56 over 100, which is actually 0.56. These three values are all the same thing. So the pattern is you actually change, or the shortcut, you take its decimal point and you move it 2 times to the left. Okay, so let's see how to use this problem. We have part equals percent times the whole. And in this problem, we were given a percent, and since we have the of word, this is the whole. So we don't know what the is, or the part is yet. So we substitute into that. But before we do, we have to change our percent into a decimal, which is 0.62. Okay, so we're going to have the part equals 0.62 times 75, which means our part is 75 times 0.62. I don't have my multiples of 62 memorized yet. And we get the part is $46.50. And that's our answer. That's how we use the percent. Oh, it doesn't say dollars, so I shouldn't add dollars to that. What am I doing? That's just 46.50. So that's how we use the percent equation. And they will always give us 2 of the 3 necessary parts. So here's example 2. Again, that percent equation we're using is part equals percent times the whole. And in this problem, they gave us 287 with the is. That means that's the part. Oh, what percent? So we're looking for the percent, and of 410. So that means that's the whole. Okay, so now we're going to have the part is 287. We don't know what the percent is, so I'm going to just call it P. And then we have 410. How do we get this percent by itself? We're going to divide both sides by 410. So we have this P equals, and I'm going to let you use your calculator right now. What'd you get? Yeah, you're right, 0.7. So this was backwards. We had to change percents into decimals first, so to get this back to a percent, we have to move the decimal point 2 times to the right to turn it back into a percent. So the answer to this problem is 70%. I'm going to have you copy down example 3 here. This one is the most challenging problem, and it's actually because of how the sales tax works here. So copy down what you see, and then that's it for 6.3. Write down your questions that you may have and ask me in class.